In this video, I will be going over the basic looping mode functions of the Qu-Bit Electronix Nebulæ. The Nebulæ is a sample-based granular oscillator that runs the open-source audio programming language C-Sound on a Raspberry Pi microcomputer. 44.1 kHz 16-bit mono audio files with the .wave, .aif, .ogg, and .flac extensions can be loaded into the Nebulæ by plugging a USB drive into the USB jack. This module can hold up to 9.5 minutes of audio. There is no naming convention for the audio files, and they will be loaded into the Nebulæ's RAM in alphabetical order. It is important to note that the Nebulæ prefers to have lowercase file extensions. This is the audio output attenuator, labeled amp. Sound can be heard once the knob is turned up. At the top, you will find a speed control, its bipolar CV input, and its corresponding positive and negative LEDs. When the speed LED is positive, the loop will play forwards. Turn the speed knob to the right and the loop will play faster. When the speed LED is negative, the loop will be reversed. Turn the speed knob to the left and the loop will play faster in reverse. The loop will be as slow as possible when the speed knob is in the middle and both the positive and negative LEDs are no longer illuminated. Underneath the speed control is the pitch control and its 1 volt per octave CV input. The pitch and speed controls work independently of each other. This is the glide control for pitch. This will allow the Nebulæ to glide between notes with a range of 0 seconds to 0.175 seconds. Here we have the 3 granular controls. The mix knob and its CV input offers a bipolar dry-wet mix control of the direct audio stream and the granular audio stream. Both streams are running independently and simultaneously. The first size knob and its CV input offers a unipolar positive grain size control. This will change the size of each independent grain in the granular audio stream with a range of 0.01 milliseconds to 78 milliseconds. The rate knob and its CV input offers a unipolar positive grain rate control. This will change the rate at which each grain is passing through the granular audio stream, with a range of 1 grain per second to 23 grains per second. Holding down the edit button and turning up the mix knob will add a random pitch deviation to the granular audio stream. Set it back to steady pitch by holding down the edit button and turning the mix knob down. Holding down the edit button and turning up the rate knob will change the time deviation of the grains from periodic to asynchronous. Set the grain rate back to periodic by holding down the edit button and turning the rate knob down. These are the looping parameters. The start knob and its CV input offers a unipolar positive loop start control. This will set the start position of the current loop. The second size knob and its CV input offers a unipolar positive loop size control. To play the entire loop, set the loop start all the way to the left and the loop size all the way to the right. The drive knob is an analog overdrive circuit and will help make the nebulae sound more lo-fi and distorted. There are 3 buttons on the nebulae. The recall button and its gate input will trigger the beginning of the current loop. The freeze button and its gate input will freeze a small amount of the current audio stream. When the freeze LED is on, freeze will be active. When the freeze LED is off, freeze will be inactive. The next file button and its gate input will advance to the next file in the root directory of the USB flash drive. This is a 5-pin MIDI input jack that offers external control of all parameters. For more information, check the MIDI implementation chart within the manual. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next few videos explaining the nebulae's one-shot mode and advanced functions.